Respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Nakshatra Kotapati. I am studying in 5th standard. Today is 26th January. We are celebrating our 75th Republic Day. At first, I wish you all a happy Republic Day. I am telling about a great freedom fighter, Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was a great freedom fighter. She was born on 17 November 1828 in Varanasi. Her father's name was Moropat Tambe and her mother's name was Bhagirathi Tambe. Her childhood name was Manikarnika, famously known as Manu. She married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the ruler of Jhansi. She war very bravely with Britishes to order to save Jhansi. She is famously known as Jhansi Ki Rani. She is a female freedom fighter in India national list. I proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.